It's skinny fettuccine with chicken, green beans, ginger, a little bit of garlic, some soy sauce, sesame, and a little chili, because you know I love my chili. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper your chicken, and we are going to saute our onions, our chilies, and let them get a little bit soft, and then throw in our chicken. Get that nice and brown. Okay, and we're going to dice up our ginger really fine, or you could grate it, throw that in there. Ginger gives a really nice flavor to this dish. Cut up our green beans and throw those in there. This is easy, super healthy, really quick lunch, you guys. And we're going to add a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and then just a touch of that Calabrian chili or pepperoncini, whatever chili you want. Add angel hair, and we're going to toss this and kind of let all those flavors meld together. This is like your quick Asian stir fry, but you're just using really green beans. You can add any veggies you want, but I love just green beans. It's so good.